Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Caribbean Estate is excellent for a home or an investment. It is centrally located in the sought after 24 hours gated and family oriented community that is safe to grow your children. This beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom family home has room for expansion and sits on land area of 3,251 square feet. This well sought after gated community has amenities including multiple play areas for kids, jogging trails, tennis and basketball courts, football field, private gym, medical facilities, and so much more. It is conveniently located and close to all major amenities and easy commute in any direction. It is a rare find and will go fast. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $181.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.